shares of VRL Logistics skyrocketed to its 20% upper circuit following the company's strong Q3 results. The stock saw significant trading volumes, with nearly 8 lakh shares changing hands in the early trading session, a sharp rise compared to its one-week average of 66,000 shares. The surge was driven by its robust financial performance, spurring investor optimism. Shares of Zinka Logistics remained locked in the 5% upper circuit for the third consecutive session on February 6, as the stock saw only buyers and no sellers in trade. The company's sustained bullish trend indicates investor confidence in growth prospects amid its optimistic Q3 results. Sagility India's shares surged following the company's announcement of an impressive Q3 earnings show. The net profit saw a sharp 207% year-on-year increase, reaching about 217 crore for the quarter, reflecting strong business performance. Zydus Lifesciences witnessed a 2% rise in early trading after reporting strong Q3 results. The company recorded a 30% jump in its consolidated net profit to about 1,023 crore rupees, driven by solid sales growth across both domestic and US markets, which bolstered investor confidence in the company. The Nifty IT Index and IT sector stocks, including TCS, Infosys, HCLTech, Wipro, rose in trade after US major Cognizant Technology Solutions reported an impressive Q3 result. The strong earnings report by Cognizant sparked optimism across the sector, lifting the stocks of major Indian IT players as investors anticipated positive growth prospects in the tech space going ahead. Hexacom Telesystems shares tumbled to its 10% lower circuit after the company reported a net loss of 49 crore for Q3. The disappointing financial results led to a sharp sell-off in the stock as investors reacted to the negative outlook for the company. Shares of Page Industries, the maker and distributor of Jockey in India, fell sharply in trade today despite reporting a solid growth in its net profit for the quarter ended December. This fall comes amid a demand and consumption slowdown as the outlook remains muted for the company. Shares of Sula Vineyards dropped after the company posted disappointing Q3 results. The stock fell below its IPO price range of 340 rupees to 367 rupees, indicating investor dissatisfaction with the company's performance. Food delivery major Swiggy's stock crashed over 8% as brokerages showed mixed views following Swiggy's widening net loss of about 800 crore rupees for Q3 FY25, compared to 524 crore a year ago. Concerns over rising competition and aggressive dark store expansion, which are impacting margins, has contributed to the sharp drop in the share price. CCR Products saw its shares fall by about 5% after the company reported its Q3 earnings show. The weak performance led to selling pressure on the stock. However, the firm decided to maintain its volume guidance in the 10 to 20% band for FY25 despite subdued growth of about 5% for Q3.